This is the OPPO A16s, and today we would like to demonstrate you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, connect your device to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, log in if needed, then at the search bar type in Opera query. Among the search results, look for this particular app, then tap on the green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. After that, you can launch it. Then grant it the notifications access if you want to, or you can always deny it. Then tap on the blue continue button, choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app. I'll skip this step. And finally, you can either customize the permissions and accesses that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app already. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.